Ryan, you started.
Last time I was here, I was super cringy, so I'm sorry. Oh.
He's not sorry.
What are these things?
Oh yeah, subscribe to him.
Change his coda.
Subscribe to this Kyle. Anyway, we are here at what, Bears Keeping 13?
Yeah. No, I'm trying to figure
Okay, OH assume are we all competing in OH?
Yes, I'm trying to figure out if this is called legal.
Okay, we'll see you guys soon. All right, OH is done. Let's see what everybody got. This is not in focus. There we go. Okay, let's see what everybody got. What did you get, Lacey?
What did you get? I got a 27 single, which is PR. And
I got 26. Get roasted.
Well, I got a 35 average.
I got like 30. I got like 33, 34.
Well, you just won up me twice by like multiple seconds.
Yep. Travis, what did you get?
I didn't tell you that. Yeah, I know.
He got 0. He's the best.
DNF.
He DNF'd. What did you guys get? OH. OH. Oh, you DNF'd? Ah. Basically, some of us did good, some of us did bad, which is usual.
No, I didn't. I DNF'd.
I'm trying to come up with a good way to go DNF. Did not fail.
Yeah.
I DNF'd. I did not fail. See, that's the way to go.
That's the way to go.
That's the way to go. 4x4 is coming up soon. Let's see. Yeah, 4x4 is going up. I am group 3, so I got a little bit of time to practice. But right now, we're just gonna compete with everybody. All right, we're gonna do some no inspection races. So basically, you just have to start, and then you get no inspection.
Yeah.
Simple enough. Put your hands on. You have to put your hands on the timer. 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm not color neutral. Okay. Oh my god. Are you still doing? Are you still only doing yellow cross?
I always do yellow cross.
Why am I doing orange cross?
Because it's really easy.
Oh yeah, if you're not color neutral on Cupacu, you're
They
bad.
gave me a DNF average.
All right, what'd you get?
I don't do
I got a 16.
Mine's different.
Just go whenever.
I moved it.
I keep forgetting that you can
Nope.
just start right as you get the
I guess it's 2x2.
I know. I'm gonna go against Travis. Oh my god.
I got an 18.
I'm gonna go against.
Okay, I'll tell you guys when to go. 3, 2, 1,
Because I only
go.
have my one.
Oh yeah.
Right here.
Thank you, Katie. This is nice.
Here, let me test
I'm not
it.
good at 2x2 today.
We're at 17.
I'm not good at 2x2 today.
I got a 17. I got a 20.
I got you. Ready, set.
Are you not?
I have a bad kill.
No. Go out.
I call loser. I call loser.
I got 16.
I got 20. Whatever.
I call loser.
Anyway, 4x4 is starting soon. My eye still hurts. Ouch. I popped.
1, 2.
Lacey's cute.
Yeah.
Group 2.
We're looking for an internal.
1.
4x4 is.
Oh my god.
Alright, I'm just gonna put this card back.
I'm group 1 for 4x4. I am not excited.
I got that on camera. I'm gonna make fun. I'm gonna make a meme out of that.
Don't do
Got a
that.
sub 1 single. Mine is.
Why are you trying to get a sub 1 single? On what?
4x4.
Oh, you got a sub 1 single?
No, I was going to, and then I got double parity that I didn't recognize because.
Oh, I was gonna get a sub 50, but then I got a 53 plus 2, so I got a 55. So that sucked. Basically, for me, 4x4 sucked. Yeah. We're just gonna have lunch and then we're gonna keep going.
Dude, imagine the green magnets. Like they're probably nothing.
Oh, dude, this is so much better than the one. Dude, this is so much better than the one up there.
Cover my hands. So. Actually. Oh.
Oh, wait, can I see?
It's so much better.
Wait, I want to compare.
The magnets are stronger.
Oh, yeah, is that new?
Yeah.
Okay,
It's just
I want to
near the
compare to
magnets stronger.
this. Wait, I want to compare to this. It's a setup. Dude, the out of the box one is better.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. But should not happen.
Mine's trash.
I want to try the magnet stuff.
No,
So we got tensions. Which one's in?
Wait.
The X. I might use this in comp.
Are you gonna use
But
it?
let's just see how I do. I might.
Let me see. Let me see. You know if you're gonna go.
Don't copy my cube.
And this main potential out of the bottom.
I don't.
I'm not buying you a cube. How could you? Alright, people, time for goals. What? What? Sub 24 average. No hablo español. What do you average? What do you want to average? Sub 20? Lacey, goal.
Sub 22.
Sub 22 average?
Yeah.
40.
Average?
40. Average. Oh, I don't know, 1?
Sub 1 minute average?
Sub 30.
And what is this cube?
X.
The X. Yes, my brother and I both got X's. These are very good cubes. I put blue. I put the blue springs in it, so I think it's really cool. 3x3 group 1 is up. I am group 3. We're all kind of going up right now, but it's time to get into the real practicing. So yeah. All right, so it's just 3x3 group 2. We're kind of still just kind of practicing, getting ready and stuff.
Sub 20 average.
What did you do? What did you do?
I got a sub 20 average.
You got a sub 20 average?
Yes.
How does this make you feel?
Really good. The little magic is doing really good for me. Dude, I'm
Good.
so pressured to get sub 20 now.
Wait, where that scrambled easy?
Yes.
You can't tell them that. Anyway, I'm up next, so we'll just see how that goes. Yeah.
Hey!
It's time to vlog. So, what happened? I failed 3x3. What did you guys get?
I got a 43 second average.
I got a 106 average.
Oh, good.
That's world record right there. That's world record quality content right there. Anyway, so 2x2 is gonna be up soon. We're in 3x3 group 5, and nothing's really happening except I'm still trying to recover from my horrible average. I might break second round. I'm not sure, but we'll see. We all missed second round. That's sad. It's because of the X. I got the X today, and then
The X is bad.
well, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's good. I'm not used to it, and I thought that my GTS 3 wasn't comp legal, but it turns out it is.
Wait, why wouldn't it be?
Because it has a scuff right here. So that's great. So 2x2's up soon. I'm gonna be doing that. Yeah. Alright, we just did 2x2. That was pretty good. I got probably 4-second average.
And guess who turned in inspection? This kid.
No, I did not. You can literally see in the footage. I did not.
You did not.
I did not.
Don't be a
Don't be a
wimp.
We
wimp.
literally
Dude, it makes
literally
you a
looked at the
wimp if you
footage.
turn.
We
It
looked
makes
at the
you a wimp
footage.
if you turn. Wait,
It's not a turn. I
They
only
haven't
rotated
entered
it.
any times. It's been stuck at
Anyway, I
28
got
times.
4-second average. You got, what'd you get?
5 point like something. Not good.
Nice. Okay.
5.7.
So we're kind of just hanging out, not really doing anything, and ski run 1's going up, so I should probably practice skew. But yeah. All right, your name is
Isaac.
and we're gonna race 2x2 blind. So let's do this. Ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Sorry, if they're wrong, I tell them. So does he go into the blind? No, that doesn't make any sense. You need to inspect. Wait, no. If you're blind, you're just do the normal one.
You do like your braille?
Yeah, like a braille, like
One move off.
different size or different cube. You know, the cooler. You know what I'm saying?
Switch off.
So it doesn't matter if you go to the blind. Wait, hold on. You're not this is why not?
I used to average like.
I would just sign up for more so the money is worth it.
Wait, so you're in 25th place.
I know, I don't think I'm gonna make it. Nice.
Wait, did you DNF?
I missed a squat, yeah.
Oh, I won.
Yeah.
Nice.
There's like,
One, go.
Oh, I'm
you said they're to the side.
Mine's cube's really good.
So, we did 2x2 round 2. I might make second round, might make finals, I'm not sure, but we have
donuts.
we have the donut.
Yeah.
We have the big donut.
Didn't you get it for like scrambling?
I think
Are you guys leaving?
none of us have
Hi.
finished in finals, so I think we're gonna head out now. That was Bay Area Speed Cubing 13.
That was a good comp.
I'll see you guys next time. We had a lot of fun.
You guys fun?
Did you guys have fun?
I had a lot of fun.
We had fun.
Alright. Are you gonna go to Bash 14?
I don't know. We'll see.
They're bad.
don't know either. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe to
me.
Alright, subscribe. I'll see you guys later.